Heading out, heading out. We are gonna go to Jollibee. Gonna get peach mango pie. I think I know this elevator. This is the one with window glass, is it? Lots of mirrors, mirrors.
Yeah, it's good. 6 is the top. Is the top.
Did you enjoy the movie?
Of course. It was. Ta-da!
We'll be trying the glass elevator. We'll see. We're waiting for it. Oh fuck. Shit.
Good job, TV.
Oh. Oh fuck. That's fast. There's the Jollibee. So we're here in Jollibee now. And
I've got the new obviously price, but side damage.
I'm gonna try the spaghetti. Tignan natin. Let's see if that will taste like the spaghetti in the Philippines.
I think you just pack your thing in and just upgrade it even.
Spaghetti and chicken.
That one?
Yeah. With drinks.
That one?
Yeah. Plus peach mango. Not the Jolly Hot Dog, no. No. Oh, peach mango.
If you go into the big food, it's got like the spaghetti one again.
There. Oh.
That's twos. That's doubles. That's,
Ay, sorry.
That's for 2 meals. That's for 2 people. See, doubles. Why it's
Yeah.
so expensive? I'm not getting spaghetti.
There. Spaghetti with peach mango and chicken.
Spicy.
I don't like spicy.
That one.
Pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice.
Yeah.
They've got peach.
No, I don't like that.
That will come with any fries?
No.
Nothing?
No. Order ako ng spaghetti. Tingnan natin kung kalasa ng Jollibee spaghetti and Philippines. But they put it like in a small
It's a big circle bits.
hot dog.
Yeah.
But I don't know if they use the same hot dog.
So they're probably used to cooking it with the spaghetti, but not used to cooking like a full one, not chopped up.
Yeah.
Was that cheese on top as well?
Yeah. Try it. Tikman mo na ni Javi. Tinikman ko yung sauce. And masarap. Pero hindi siya yung exact na kalasa ng spaghetti sa Pinas.
Hot dog chicken.
hotdog scoop. Sabi ni Habi, luto daw yung hotdog. Kasi last time, umorder ako Jolly hotdog. Hindi luto yung hotdog. Siguro nga kasi hindi sila sanay na and hindi kasi gusto dito yung Jolly hotdog. Hindi lagi in order. Kuha tayo ng pasta with hotdog. It tastes nice, but it's nothing compared to spaghetti in Jollibee Philippines. It tastes nice. Ayun lang. Kain naman na kami later ulit. Oy. Time for the chicken. Tignan naman natin kung kain ng Jollibee chicken ng Pinas yun. Looks like Thai party. Tignan ito yung gravy nila. Not as soft as the chicken in Philippines. Not as tender. Hindi siya ganun ka lambot.
That for chicken, Shirley, it's not a Filipino chicken. Yeah,
Try natin na may gravy.
but English, Irish or Scottish chicken.
Yung gravy nila, mas strong yung lasa. The gravy tastes stronger. All in all, it's okay. I'm a food critic.
Think like that.
It's time for the star of the day. Peach mango pie. Peach mango pie dito, times 2 ng sukat ng peach mango pie sa Pinas. Double the size of the peach mango pie in the Philippines. Time to review. Sa Pinas, ganyan lang, di ba? Ganyan lang sa Pinas. Dito. Oh. And, ito. Natikman ko na to dito dati. Masarap siya. Kalasa ng Pinas. So, the best. Peach mango pie here is better than Philippines. Kasi nga malaki yung peach mango pie dito. Mambo. Mas masarap to pag malamig eh. Pag nalagay mo sa ref. Ayun lang. Enjoyin ko muna itong peach mango pie. Dito kami sa Mr. T. Mr. T. Pahinga muna. Kakatapos lang mamili ng mga gamit-gamit. Ayun yung milk tea. Tingnan natin. First time ko makakita ng may milk tea house dito. I got the milk tea. I've ordered creme brulee with bubble and Oreo on top. Yeah, because there's a bubble. So, we'll try it. Give it a try first. Yeah, just
like friends, like multiple.
yeah.
Yeah, I
You might drink it.
Yeah,
But
that one.
shut. Stop it.
No, you need to.
I feel bad, like, he's like about it. I don't know, I feel bad. I don't know. 'Cause-
Very good bubble.
Yeah.
He's not a fan of
And the same thing is like
bubbles.
after that, like we went out for brunch and stuff, and we had a nice time. We met his mom. He's like, because his mom was over, so yeah, it was like a lot of us. Rob was there as well, and like.
But that's cream cheese. Did you taste that?
Yeah.
I tasted most of it. That's not it at all.
Nice
Try the cream cheese.
conversation, and
Taste
like, and his mom paid for like all of it. Wow. And then like. It was like so, it was like our last day together. I don't know. It's like so strange. It's so not to feel about it. I don't know. Yeah, and like her and burger was really good friends.
Mas masarap yung nasa Pinas.
He also like.
Mas masarap ang milk tea ng Pinas.
I still remember that happened because she was still with her boyfriend and like.
Hi people. Naligaw kami. Bumaba kami ng maling train station. Ayan. Chine-check niya ngayon yung map. Kasi magbubas na lang kami. At ang susunod na dating ng train papunta sa lugar namin is after 1 hour pa. Sobrang tagal. Unang nangyari, namali kami ng nasakyan na train papunta sa ibang lugar. Then bumalik kami dun sa Glasgow. And then, sumakay kami ulit ng train. And then, tama naman yung nasakyan namin pangalawa na train. Pero, namali kami ng binabaan. Napaaga kami ng baba. So, nasa maling lugar kami. Ayan. Nandito kami sa Hawkhead Station. So, ngayon, kami ay maghanap ng bus o kaya maglalakad pa bahay. Are we gonna walk home?
We can walk home in like 35 minutes, but it's kind of difficult way to
Too
walk.
far?
So
Take the bus?
I think maybe walk into the city.
Town center? So, maglalakad na lang daw kami hanggang sa town center.
Then up the train tracks.
Ah, it started raining na. There's raindrops.